Right, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mr. Nolan.
Is that right?
No. Shh, Waffle. Oh,
Is that
sorry.
right?
Waffle still.
Yes,
Like
So,
Benji.
Miss Berrington, what have Poodle's class been doing with their toys this morning?
Well, today we are drawing pictures of our toys.
Oh, excellent.
Yes, and we are taking it in turns to read to Mr. O'Donnell in between drawing. And as it's Evie's birthday, she got to go first.
Oh, well, happy birthday, Evie. Yes. Well, let's have a look at some of these toys then, shall we?
Yes, please.
Mr. O'Donnell, Evie, you carry on reading. Ah, what a lovely selection of toys. A lovely toy trolley. And look, a stuffed lion and a robot. And I recognize this one. It's Benji, the class dog. Hello, Benji.
Sorry to interrupt again, Miss Berrington. I've just come to collect Waffle.
Shouldn't you be in your class?
Yes, I've just come to collect a book. Yes, that's right. Right, okay. Where's Waffle?
He's over there.
Yeah, this is the one. Found it. Counting to 10. Right, I'll just head back to my room now.
Well done, Poodles. You're all working very hard, but you've had enough interruptions for one morning, so I'll let you get on with it. Weren't there two toy dogs here a minute ago?
I'm not sure, Mr. Nolan.
Oh, I must have imagined it. Well done, Poodles. On you go.
There you are, Waffle.